Hello, hi, and welcome to this a brand new video. So it's been a while, hasn't it? I've had a lot to do. That's my excuse, and that is exactly what it is, an excuse. I prioritized other stuff, and yeah, still riding the Monster. I have not been able to buy myself a bike yet. I'm kind of narrowing it down, I guess, to what bike I want. I'm doing a test ride tomorrow, hopefully, before I go to work, and that'll probably be up on this channel. So the funny thing is that I've done a test ride. I mean, I've spoken a lot about the MT-09, but I have not been able to record a full ride with that bike. And it's like the bike that I have spoken maybe the most about on this channel. So I have test ridden it 2 times. Each time I got only half the ride on video, because I either deleted one half of the video, or the GoPro just decided not to record the other half. So that's fun. So right now I'm just cruising. Thought it would be a good time to take some photos, take some photos, and record a motovlog basically. So that is what has been going on here in the Draken life. I don't know. Yeah, we're going after this guy, totally. Oh, look here, we got some biker buddies. Hello. Hello, my friend. And we're going this way as well, because we're going to that tunnel. So yeah, I've not been doing much. You might see that the image, whew, and it pops. You might see that the image is a bit blurry, or you might have seen it. That is because you cannot see my speedometer. Nothing of my speedometer, which is fantastic, because that means less blurring for me to do. I mean, obviously I can't go stupid fast without somebody noticing, but yeah, it's just a little bit less for me to edit. I did this on my last bike as well, but then I had to use something else to make it black. Maybe I'll make a video on how to hide your speedometer. That might be fun. Don't you do it. Thank you. I love tunnels, dude. Especially when you have an exhaust like this. So I got some things in the works. I got a video that I want to shoot, but there are some issues with me actually shooting that video, because 1, that requires me actually having a new bike. 2, I need to get a new helmet. I don't know what kind of helmet I'm gonna get. If I'm gonna get a new Icon variant, or if I'm gonna get another like whole completely new, better, totally a lot better helmet, but then it won't look as cool. So it depends on those two, and then I have to figure out the filming, the cameras, I need friends to shoot this video. Maybe I need somebody that can actually be me in the video so that I can shoot the video. Because that's something that I've been experiencing a lot, is that, or not a lot, but lately I've been thinking a little bit about like how I shoot my videos, if it is possible for me to just be me. Oh, a VFR. What's up, dude? Oh, he does not want to talk. You know what? We're going here. If he dang it, where was I? Yeah, if I can shoot cool videos by myself, and I probably can't, to be honest, because I need to be. My problem is I want to film me, but I can't film me. Well, wait, hold on. This makes sense. Just bear with me. I want to film me, but in order to film me the way I want, I have to film myself, and that is difficult if you're just one person. So yeah, but yeah, I don't know. It's weird, isn't it? So I guess this video is just this little like catch up. Like, hi, I'm still. What am I saying? Hi, I'm still alive. Is that a thing? Well, I am still alive, if you were wondering. I've just not made as many videos. I'm kind of depressed, to be honest, because I don't know what bike I want. I don't have a path that I'm actually, or I've not set some goals, I think. I don't have any like specific goals right now that I'm hunting after. I mean, of course you can set like subscribers and everything like that, but fuck that. I don't know, I don't feel like that is a goal. I feel like I'm just gonna have fun, so I need to, I don't know, I mean, don't take it wrong, it's cool to have subscribers and people following your shit, but that shouldn't be the drive if you're doing this, and that is probably why I have not been doing this so much lately. That is probably why I haven't been doing this lately, because I did not enjoy it. I was to be honest, I think I don't know, do you know when you're depressed? Because I honestly think I was, because I was down low like a stick in water. That doesn't make sense. I don't know, I was kind of low, I guess. Didn't know what to do, didn't know what bike I wanted, didn't know what was next. I don't know, that probably, I'll say I was depressed. Sure. But I feel like I'm kind of, so I'm thinking about, I'm gonna shoot some photos on this harbor right here, if there's not a lot of traffic. So yeah, I guess that was just me ranting a little bit about being me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and power slide? Nah. And I'll catch you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this little video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.